Hey y'all, it's Whitney from Whitney Buys Houses, and I am here to tell you that when I started buying houses, it was the summer of 2013. I had no idea what I was doing. I went to an auction. I spent my entire life savings buying a house that didn't have a bathroom in it and kind of figuring it out as I went. Luckily, I was able to rent that house. Well, I say luckily. I was able to rent that house for $800 a month, started in November, so almost 6 months after I bought the silly thing. But I started getting some return on investment. I still didn't have any formulas, any calculations, and I went to a real estate investors meeting. The president said, hey, we're gonna talk about creative financing. I want everybody in the room to come. And I said, you know what? I don't have $75 to spend on some real estate information. I'm not going. And he said to me, Whitney, I want you to come to this class on lease options. I think you're really gonna like it. And I said, look, old man, I've got a real estate license. I've bought a house. I'm already a real estate investor. I'm like, I'll figure it all out, all right? I'm not gonna spend another $75. And he said, if you don't learn anything, I'll give you your money back. I said, all right, old man, I'm in. So I went to that meeting, and thank goodness I did, because I learned about creative financing. I learned about owner financing. I learned about lease options. I learned how to do 2 deals the hard way. And then after I found out about creative financing, I learned how to do 14 deals in 9 months and make almost $140,000. So, do you want to do 2 deals, spend your entire life savings and make $800 a month? Or do you want to figure out creative financing and do 14 deals in 9 months and make almost $140,000? Because if I was you, I would definitely go with option 2 in that situation. All right, and that's what we're going to be teaching here at the Mill and Mine in Knoxville, Tennessee, November 6th through the 9th. All right, 118 women are coming from all over the country so that they can figure out how to take creative financing back home with them. But not just that, it's also about the friendships that they're gonna make, the partnerships that they're gonna form, the other topics we're gonna cover like apartments and money and vacation rentals. It's not just about houses, y'all. All right, I want you to be a complete woman and be a complete real estate investor. And so we're offering the whole package here at She Buys It Live, November 6th through the 9th in Knoxville, Tennessee. We're going to be in this building, the Mill and Mine building right there behind me. And we're going to be talking all about real estate investing like a lady for 4 days this November. And I want you to get a ticket. Go to shebuysitlive.com right now, today, and join us. Walk through those doors right there and join us at She Buys It Live, November 6th through the 9th. Come on, girls. I can't wait to see you. I can't wait to help you get that first deal done fast. I can't wait to see all the light bulb moments when you figure out how awesome and beautiful it is to be a real estate investor. Women make the best real estate investors, and I fully believe that. That's why we have She Buys It Live. Come on. I'll see you there, November 6th through the 9th in Knoxville, Tennessee, right here at the Mill and Mine. Go to shebuysitlive.com and get your ticket today.